Hello everyone, my name is Blake Young. Today I'll be presenting my two documentaries. The first documentary that I'll be mentioning is Forks Over Knives. Introduction. Lee Fulkerson is the person who wrote Forks Over Knives. In his passage, he expressed his feelings on how people have bad eating habits. Lee believes if you try eating healthier for at least 6 weeks, that you will see positive results. Salt and sugars are like addictions to us humans. Lee believes that people eat less fruits and vegetables. Instead, we go out to eat or eat fast foods, which cause laziness, health problems like diseases, diabetes, and or sometimes quicker death. The author's purpose. The author's purpose of Forks Over Knives is by showing people the proper foods and vegetables that they should eat to stay healthy. Sugars, pops, oils, and bleached flours are all bad for the human body. Humans should eat more whole grain fruits, vegetables, and tubers. Eating junk food is a bad habit, and in result of this can cause health problems. Good thing is that if you eat healthier foods and work out, you won't have to worry about any diseases or sicknesses. If you want to live longer, try exercising these steps of eating food that's good for you and reject all processed and animal-based foods, because eating those foods can weaken your immune system and cause health problems. The author's main argument is the more intake of the animal-based and processed food, the sicker we become. Also, this is another reason why people are unfit and have problems trying to work out and can't actually stop the laziness. Lee Fulkerson argues to make a better understanding to people who are leading to the wrong path and to correct them from making mistakes that can cause you lifelong pains till death or injury. My final thoughts. Lee Fulkerson's passage is a creative way to look at your life. I believe the only way to get this change is by changing the way you do things. Eating meats and fast foods are good every once in a while, but fruits, vegetables, and other healthy meals are needed on an everyday basis. Fast foods every day is not good, maybe every other week. If you try this diet at least 12 to 16 weeks, you will see results. Eat healthier and drink more water instead of pops and juices. If you follow this, I believe your goals will be complete, and you won't have to worry about diseases, being lazy, being fat, or dying early. This is my second documentary, The Sustainability Secret. Introduction. This story was filmed by a filmmaker, Kemp Anderson. Kemp wanted us to learn a reason why we have so many environmental issues in our lifestyle today. Author's purpose. The author's purpose of Cowspiracy is to get others to help save the planet and finding the solution to the most pressing environmental issues and true path sustainability. The argument. The argument is saving the planet. In this documentary, they believe that you can help the planet by reducing waste, raising livestock, and eating sustainably. Power your home with renewable energy. Weatherize and drive a fuel-efficient vehicle. Sorry, my computer messed up. My final thoughts on this is to do more for the environment, follow the laws and regulations, do things to make the community rise, and create a change.